Hey you guys, welcome to Divyne, and on this episode we will be unboxing this Hangsong Vanity mirror that I got on Amazon, which you're probably interested in getting. When I make these videos, I do not make them to brag or flaunt stuff that I get or have gotten. This point is to give you guys ideas, give you guys reviews on if this is a good investment or not. Alright, so let's get into this episode, you guys. I swear to goodness, if this mirror is broken, I am going to be one pissed itch. I mean that, I freaking do. I don't know where the scissors are, so I'm gonna just use this trusty screwdriver. We have this box right here, Hangsong Hollywood makeup mirror. So now I'm gonna open this one up. I'm not really sure which way I should open it. Should I open it on the sides? Oh well, I guess the sides aren't really accessible that well because that, so alrighty. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. It's $49, so it better be pretty good. Got the magnifying mirror, the cable, and the mirror itself. Let's see about this. Okay. So, setting it up. It's really sturdy, that's for sure. I like it. And here's the user manual with all the instructions. I really don't want it actually up. I might have it like on the side, like this, so I can use it in my hand. I don't want it to leave dots on the mirror. Here's the cable. There's just back here a circle. Let me show you guys. There's a circle right there, and that's where you put the wire. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, it's safe. It's okay. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. Didn't crack or anything. And there we go. It's good. And you can change the color, the lighting color. Let me show you guys. This is the mirror right here. I'm loving it. I don't want to sit this on here. Look how big it is. Like, I'd rather just use this in my hand, you know, I'll do makeup or whatever. But here you have the settings to change, and it tells you everything on the manual. Just warm light, daylight. One tap on the power sensor to turn on, one tap on M button to change color, hold the P button to adjust the brightness. So let's adjust the brightness. I don't feel like anything is changing with the brightness, to be honest. Color's changing. Oh, it is changing. Look at that. It's like dim now. And if I want to brighten it like this. Okay, I like that. Let's see like how the lighting is with my videos now, because my lighting sucks with my videos. So I'm gonna see if things are different, if we like it, if we don't like it. Hey guys, it is me. I'm back with much better lighting. I'm loving this mirror. I was gonna get like a lighting set, but I don't want to do all that yet. And this was a great investment, even though it's only $49. $49 is not bad at all. This was a great investment for good lighting. The mirror is crisp, it's clear, it's beautiful. And let's see, I'm gonna change the lighting. This one is like fluorescent lighting kind, like the LED kind of light, whatever. Let's see. All right, this one is a warm light. The other one was daylight. There we go. This one's a warm light. I really like a warm light. Ooh. And this one is a more chiller warm light. And this is that bright one again. But so far, I really like this one, which is warm light. So I'm gonna use warm light. I love this mirror. And then it also came with a discount for more mirrors, which is pretty cool. I like this a lot. See yourself in sunshine. After sale card, that's cool. I can honestly say, you guys, this is a great investment, especially if you are someone who likes to sit down and do their makeup in their room and you have a little table set up like I do. It's a really nice mirror. I can see myself so perfectly. I'm ready to take this makeup off and do a whole eyeshadow look right now, and I might just do that because why not? Do you know what I mean? Let me see. I'm trying to find something to compare the size to for you guys. Right here, this is my spray bottle that I got from Sally's. Comparing the size from Sally's is just like a little taller. So it's a really good size. Really nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys. I hope you have a blessed, beautiful day, because you guys are all beautiful people. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. In conclusion, this mirror is great and I love it, and I'm loving the brightness, the lighting. Thank you guys. You have a beautiful, blessed day, because you guys are all beautiful people.